Daz Podcast.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Welcome
Merry Christmas!
Episode 6
grabe.
of
Yes.
The Groove Dad.
Bilis ng araw, Pasko na.
Ay, isang araw. Pasko na ngayon.
Kaya nga, bilis nga ng araw, Pasko na eh.
Ay, okay.
Bilis ng
Mali yung dinig ko. Bingi.
2024.
Grabe. At ang bilis ng araw. Episode 6 na tayo, guys.
Grabe.
Kalahin mo yun.
Actually, antok pa ako
tayo?
from antok pa ako from party.
Wow! Noche Buena ba yan? Noche Buena.
Yeah, Noche Bueno, exactly.
Shucks, grabe. Nasuot ko ulit to from last week.
Oo nga. Alam mo,
Ay, nako. Anyway, Merry Christmas, dads.
Grabe. Ang
Merry
bilis ng
Christmas.
2024.
Sobra.
As in,
Grabe.
kumurap lang ako. As in, literal.
iba, no?
Kumurap lang.
Grabe, no?
And then, imagine yung first 4 episodes natin, shoot natin.
July.
Parang almost half of the year ago. Diba? Ngayon lang natin.
Oo,
Pero,
diba?
vivid pa rin sa akin yung memory na yun. Yung nag-uusap tayo, magkakasama. Tas, Pasko na. My gosh.
Grabe, no?
Bilis.
So, speaking of Pasko, ito promise gawin na nating light, please. Yung last week sabi natin light eh. Kaso parang merong gustong mag-share. Labas. Okay, so for today, ang gagawin na lang natin is Christmas memories. And para meron tayong twist, I think each of us should share Christmas memories, both personal Christmas memories and professional as a dancer. Ano yung may something ba na special pag Christmas when we were still actively dancing professionally? And if you're
Madami
answering...
yan.
Oo. Ako, ang dami nga naisip. Yung personal, it can be, you with your current family, you with your original family, with your kids.
Well, I think we
Shades
all
boy.
can agree that
Yes.
that Christmas season is the best season to do gigs.
Yeah.
Bam!
Oh my gosh, all these corporate gigs, my
Actually,
goodness.
lahat naman ng industry. Lahat ng industry pag Pasko talagang
Yes.
racket to the max.
Madami, oo.
Exactly.
Yes.
Meron nga, like let's say,
Shows,
okay,
no?
so there's a coach, right? The coach said to this client, I'm not gonna disclose. So this client, like, okay, hold up, let me just do this racket real quick, and I'll coach you after. Like, yun, as in 1 hour lang. Just give me 1 hour to do my gig, my segment. He said segment, not the whole class. Just segment. This is Zumba. Let me do my 10-minute segment, and I'll go to you. Kasi corporate event. Eh. It's like, wow, that's awesome. Anyway, so the fact that I'm talking, let's just continue. So my core memory as a kid muna, personal memory na lang muna. I can go as far back as 5 years old, me, when I came home with my parents because they took me to their work. My dad took me to his work. We came home at 3 a.m. and there it is, the Christmas tree full of presents. And for so many years, I thought there was a Santa Claus.
Wala ba?
Wala ba?
Voila! I'm so sorry, kids. Like, you want me to take off my shades? I'm gonna tell with my red eye. There is no
Naging Halloween.
There's no Santa Claus. Anyway, no. Anyways, okay. So my first Christmas, 5 years old, because I love Ninja Turtles so much.
Yeah, boy.
Until now, they are still my favorite. Anyway, so I received all these characters, all 4 of them. So yeah, including Master Splinter. Yun, si Master Splinter. Saka si Shredder. Yun. Kailangan isang enemy. So I received that 5 characters with the turtle bus, right?
Ooh.
And I'm thinking in my head, like, wow, who did Santa really came? How did he go into my house? Ganun. So years after, I always had that thought, like, oh, okay, there's a real Santa Claus. There's Santa Claus. I received my basketball stuff, Orlando Magic to Chicago Bulls and all that stuff. Then listening to Michael Jackson's "I Saw Mommy Kissing Santa Claus." Like,
Nice.
hold up. Like, what?
Mommy's a cheater?
Mommy is doing something else without my dad? so that's when I realized that okay, si Papa pala nagbili ng presents. But every time, my core memory, I always remember anything that I asked for. I mean, not di naman anything, like something that I love, that certain season of my life, yun, it will be there during Christmas.
Mhm.
Like basketball, Ninja Turtles, Tamiya cars, ano pa? Naalala niyo yung Tamiya cars?
Of course.
Hindi ako nagtamiya eh.
Hindi
Di
rin
ko
ako
nag-
nagtamiya, pero it was that big na parang.
Yeah, like, it was so big. Yeah. Tapos, ano pa? Yeah, that was pretty much it. Always those stuff, like basketball, basically. Anyways, now, okay, so fast forward to 2024, because like a few months ago, we decided to said that, okay, we're gonna travel to Taiwan to visit your grandparents, because we haven't seen them for 4 years ever since pandemic. So this year was the first time my kids actually is going to be the first time to see them again. So
Since the pandemic?
since the pandemic, and my mom actually set up the Christmas tree after 11 years. She set up the Christmas tree again.
Wow.
I'm like teary-eyed with my red eye. Like, oh, she really set up the Christmas. No, it's really, that's something very dear to my heart, because that's the core memory. Like every time it's Christmas season in Taiwan, because you don't see that much decorations in Taiwan, unlike the Philippines. My mom would really go 1,000% on the house. Like, oh, okay, everything that will make you feel like, oh, it is really Christmas season. So that's my core memory. So yun. As a dancer, yeps, gigs all day, and the gatherings with your dance crew, of course, that's always nice. Other than that, yeah, I mean, and break from everything, from the countless gigs, break, yun. To have your own space, to be with your families, to be with your friends that is not part of your crew, blah blah blah, and all that stuff. So yeah.
Lalo na ikaw ngayon from Zumba. Diba?
Oh, yeah.
Zumba break.
Yeah. Like my last trip was 2 weeks ago, which is Korea. So, and now I'm here just relaxing.
Nice.
Very nice.
Parang feeling ko, yun din eh, yung Christmas memories, parang it's not a specific like event, but it's the feeling. I don't know when I talk to Joyce about this, pero parang I want to feel that again. Yung feeling ng Christmas when I was a kid. And I don't know if it's really like that for everyone growing up. Na iba talaga yung feeling iba yung feeling ng Christmas, iba yung anticipation ng Christmas. Now, to a certain extent, you dread na parang the season. Of course, the day itself, parang iba yung feeling. Pero yung leading up to that, yung parang, I have to finish so much stuff before Christmas, di ba? Lahat ng
True.
gifts, lahat nung, you have to prepare for, if you're going on a trip, you have to prepare for it. May school pa yung kids, may work ka, you have to finish deadlines before you can relax.
Yep.
Sabi ko parang nawawala yung magic of Christmas that you feel when you're a kid. So I think that's my favorite memory. As Prince said, the magic of Santa Claus. Diba na parang you look forward to that, getting something that you want. And then getting to use that, if it's a toy, play with it with your cousins, with your siblings. And all day, parang license to play, di ba?
Yeah.
That on December 25, just di kayo papakialaman ng adults, just play with each other. share your toys, 'di ba? Yung parang this is what I got, look. Oh, this is what I got, okay. Ganun. So,
Tsaka nung time na yun, di ba, parang nung bata tayo, di ba, sobrang init sa Pilipinas. Tapos, for some reason, sa December, kahit pa paano talaga lumalamig, parang, Pasko talaga, di ba, may ganung,
iba
yung
talaga yung feeling.
morning breeze, yeah.
Oo. So, yun I think it's that din, na parang, just the overall feeling nung saya, na, and I think now, parang, it's up to us, feeling ko, to make our kids feel that. So, feeling ko, in-effortan din talaga ng magulang natin yun, that
Yep.
we feel that way during that time. So, yun yung personal ko talaga na, yun, yung the feeling ng that magical feeling. Also the break.
Right, yes.
Professionally, ang favorite memories ko pag yung kumikita ka ng 120,000 isang gig. Ganun. Diba? Feeling ko kung specifically, favorite ko talaga yung di ko alam anong yun Di ko na alam yung company. Wag na rin natin banggitin. Pero yung kasama sila ba?
Yeah,
Si Rega nandun, di ba?
sa Libis. Sa Libis tayo sumayaw.
Hindi, yung malayo.
Sa may
Yung malayo.
Doon tayo nagmi-meeting.
Tagaytay.
Doon tayo nagmi-meeting.
Sa Libis ba yung event?
Yung actual event sa Libis, di ba?
Oo, Libis.
Doon tayo
Tama.
nagpa-practice. Yung sa may
kasi doon yung
SNEX,
company
diba?
nila.
Laguna. Oo. Tapos yung may isang practice na kumain pa tayo sa...
Ay, no,
sa may
Nuvali.
Valley.
Intercon yung venue.
Intercon.
Doon tayo
Tama.
nag-perform.
Tama.
Yep.
So yun. Tapos yung isa pang yun nga, nag-choreo ako for a company. Tapos nag-judge din ako sa dance competition nila. Yung kinoreo ko, hindi kasama sa dance competition. Yun yung parang for everyone. Tapos nag-judge ako. Tapos yun. 6 digits.
Yeah, man.
Parang, sana every week may ganito. Parang ganun yun
That's what's up, man.
Diba? So, but then again, after that, yun nga, yung parang, break. Diba? Parang before we start again.
Family time
looking
naman.
forward.
Oh.
Actually, hindi nga ako look for kasi yung family time, yun yung Pasko mismo, ganun, di ba? Yung afternoon, yung talagang, pwede ba wag nyo pakialaman lahat? Yun yung, professionally naman, yun yung, that's what I look forward to. Yung talagang rest. Think of nothing. Just rest.
Sa akin, parang sa dance, well,
Ikaw, nako.
Aside from
Ikaw
the
yata ang king ng regular days nga tad ng racket yan Paano pa pag Christmas, paano ka lumagari?
Hindi, sa akin nung alam mo, iba nga sa akin parang wala akong na-receive na ganung malaking
Hindi
mga gig. Oo, parang wala akong pag Christmas. Parang normal lang na before Christmas na, pero yung walang malaki talaga, wala akong na-receive na normal gig lang talaga din siya. Oo. Pero nung dyan sa Pilipinas I mean like kahit with the All Stars, with the Air Dance, parang ilan lang parang hindi masyadong madami kasi parang everyone's parang papahinga na sila lahat parang ready na for holidays, alam mo yun, bakasyon na lahat ng tao. So parang may mga performance before that pero yung gig na wala. Even choreo, parang wala din normal. So parang regular ko lang din, let's say Christmas, kung papasok ka sa work, let's say kung magtuturo ka, then go. Parang gano'n. Like here, ganito rin dito. Actually, dito na lang ako nakaka-receive nung pag Christmas, syempre mga students, mas, alam mo yun, mas medyo,
1 million, ganun.
medyo mas galante, mas mababa, sila, mas generous, generous.
Wow.
Meron din naman generous sa Pilipinas, pero yung dito, parang iba yung dito. So, parang talaga makakarami ka ng alam mo yun, ng gift. And, siguro nung bata, memorable ko, well, simple lang kami noon dahil syempre, masaya na ako kapag Pasko, pupunta ako sa mga ninong ko dahil kapitbahay lang kami. Pupunta ka doon, may makukuha ka na kagad na, di ba, na gift. Parang, tuwan-tuwa ka na nun. Kahit maliit lang yung mga, gift na yun. Pero, meron din times, like, nabanggit mo nga, toys, ate ko, pag tuwa din ako dahil kasi pag Pasko, darating na yung magbabalot na ng G.I. Joe. So, tuwa na ako doon sa G.I. Joe na yun, kahit isang character lang.
Damn,
Memorable yun.
G.I.
Parang,
Joe.
oo. Isa o dalawa lang yun. Isa lang, dalawang
Isa lang
character.
kasi yung
Tas-
isa Barbie.
O parang ganun lang. Tapos, pero di na naulit yun. Pero kahit na yun lang yun, kahit yung G.I. Joe yun, parang sobrang special. Parang tuwa na ako dun sa isang ano na yun.
Dalawang G.I. Joe, tapos pagpapalitin mo pa yung taas tsaka yung baba. Di ba?
Yun eh, yung ano, ang tawag nun, tatanggalin yung, ipapapalitan yung ulo.
Oo,
Yung ba
kasi
sinasabi
diba,
mo?
ano lang yun, rubber band lang yung naka-ano dun.
Oo.
Naka-attach.
Oo, correct.
Pati
correct.
sa
Di, tsaka yung mga,
legs dun sa hips.
oo, di ba? Hindi ko rin naisip yun. Pero yung mga weapons nila, yung mga accessories. But anyway, yun, yung mga, ano lang, siguro memorable. Wala masyadong, family dito, pag ano lang, masaya kami pag uuwi kami ng Pinas, pag galing dito ng Hong Kong. Like, let's say, yung last time na umuwi kami, kailan may umuwi, huling uwi namin ng Pinas na Pasko is 2019 pa. So, tuntua kami nun. As in, masaya. Yung
Pre-COVID.
feeling. Iba yung, before pa yun, before ng COVID nun. Kasi nung after ng COVID nun, umuwi kami nun, January. Birthday ni nanay. Pero nung last Christmas ata din namin dyan is, is 2019. Oo, yata. Yun din ata yung alam ko, nagkita-kita tayo nun eh. Hindi ko maalala. Yung tayo, wala sila Jong nun eh. Tayo lang nun ata,
Oo nga.
Prince.
Oo nga.
Yun
Dito
yata
sa
yun
bahay.
Oo. Yun
Oo,
yata yung
2019
2019 yun.
2019 yun.
Yun lang yun. So para for us, as a family, pag kumakauwi kami ng Pilipinas, sobrang big deal na yun. Kasi, like let's say, may work din ako. So parang di mo alam kung kailan mo timing yung pag-uwi. Alam mo yun. So, yun.
Grabe.
Diba?
Saya nun eh. Ang saya nung 2019 na yun eh. Kasi parang,
Oo nga,
yun yung pumunta pa tayo sa park eh. Yun talaga yung mga bata parang wala, laro lang
Oo.
talaga eh. Diba?
Sa akin, hindi na uwi sila Jong nun.
Yeah.
Oo. Parang feeling ko kasi yung uwi nyo ngayon, parang ang dami agenda eh. Yung walang walang relax lang, ganun. Lagi tayong magkikita, may gagawin.
May itinerary.
May itinerary, ganun. So alam niyo na yun next time, tayo? Tagaytay.
Tagaytay.
Okay, so last but not the last, but yes, the last. Labo. Jong B.
Oh. Well, yun, nasabi niyo na lahat ng gigs. Actually, na-feel ko yung Christmas Prince.
Yan. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, na-feel ko yung yung mga Christmas breaks in terms of yung
Rest.
opportunities na mag-gig nung nung All-Stars lang na naman eh. Feeling ko mas na-maximize ko or natin yung Christmas breaks nung nag-Groove Jacks tayo. Kasi parang, yes, may gigs tayo as a group, pero you have your freedom to, may may sarili kang gig. Sige, so yan, project mo yan. Diba? Parang ganun. Meron tayong ganong understanding na parang, yes, Groove Jacks tayo, pero by all means, kung may makita kang gig for yourself, kunin mo yan. Diba?
Rumakit ka.
Yeah, rumakit ka. So, yan, kaya talaga na-maximize natin. Pero pag, meron tayong gig na tayo lahat. And
Let's
kukuha tayo
bolt
ng
in.
mga iba-ibang mga co-casts. Yeah.
So alam mo talaga, agency tayo eh. Dati pa
Alam mo
lang.
ba, oo.
Hindi lang official, pero agency tayo kasi lagi tayong kulang sa tao noon. 'Di ba? Parang ang dami nating gigs na bubuk.
Yeah.
Pero laging tayo lang. So kinakailangan nating like even yung mga we consider naging regular sa Groove Jacks. ang daming revolution. Di
Yeah.
ba? Revolving members siya. Pero
Party
legit
Pilipinas,
naging
big
official member
example.
sila. Ha?
Yung Party Pilipinas, big example, di ba? Parang,
Ayun. Yun talaga. Oo.
yung tatlo yung regular nung umalis na si Prince. Tapos, sino yan? Sino to?
Ah.
Yeah. And then yung sa Christmas core memory naman, ito talagang never kong makakalimutan ever. Naalala mo yung, ikaw Nick, alam ko maalala mo ito, yung Robinson sa Q Plaza dati. Hindi. Kasi,
Saan yun?
well yeah, yung pinaka core memory ko nung bata talaga, nung may isang Robinsons sa may east Antipolo, Taytay boundary. Meron akong tinitignan doon na isang box lang ng robot. Naalala niyo Maskman dati?
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, nandito siya. Nasaan ba siya? Yeah.
Wow.
Tinitingnan ko yun, tapos sinasabi ni mami, hindi natin kaya. Sabihin ko kay tatay ko, mahal. Tapos lagi ko tinitignan yun. Visit kami doon. Titingnan ko yung box na yun. Tapos Christmas Eve, doon kayo magbubukasan, 'di ba, ng gifts. Meron lang akong isang regalo. Tapos nakita ko na yung box, sabi ko, yun na yata yun. Pagbukas ko talaga ng ganun dun sa yung taas na part, parang, oh shit. Parang yun talagang hanggang ngayon yung feeling ko ng time na yun. Yun yung forever kong mafe-feel. Yeah. Tsaka yung naalala niyo yung snow na na spray sa mga windows.
Yeah.
Si mami ganun yun. 'Di ba sinabi niyo nagde-decorate Prince yung si mami mo, si tita. Ganun, ide-decorate nila yun pagtulog na lahat eh. 'Di ba yung effort na ganun, magpupuyat sila
Yeah.
para paggising ng mga bata the next morning, parang paano nangyari ito? Ganun, Pasko talaga.
Yeah.
So yeah, yun yung mafe-feel ko na gusto ko din talaga na ma-feel din nila Ayo nila Hachi. Pero babalik tayo doon sa sinabi mo, Nick, na parang, di ba parang feeling natin ngayon parang sobrang busy tayo, sobrang occupied ng araw natin. Ngayon babalikan mo yung mga ginagawa ng mga parents natin dati. Same din naman eh. Pero, di ba, nag-effort sila
Yeah.
for ilang kids kami, 5 kami. Isipin mo yung effort sila na parang inspiring na dapat ganun din. Try your best na parang
Yun.
ganun din sa mga bata.
Parang yung hinahanap kong magic, sila nag-create nun eh.
Yeah.
So parang it's our turn to create that same magic for our kids.
Exactly.
Yun.
So,
Woo! Gusto ko umiyak.
no, I know. Kala ko pa light lang dito.
Light, naman siya, parang sobrang, parang, alam mo yun, ang sarap lang mag-reminisce. And para sa inyo, mga nanonood, mga nakikinig, parang share yung memories nyo. Kasi, parang feeling ko meron tayo lahat, no? Parang it's a collective, the feeling, parang pare-pareho. Pero it's interesting to hear yung, kuya kay Jong, yung nga, gusto mo, nakita mo na agad, iba excitement na parang, actually yung gusto ko, yun talaga yung makukuha ko. Ganun.
Tsaka yun lang.
So, parang-
Kahit wala na akong ibang regalo, yun, talagang super satisfied ako. Parang,
Okay, Rega, di ba? G.I. Joe. Di ba? Parang, it's the same feeling. Pero interesting mapakinggan yung exactly what triggered that feeling for the individuals. And para sa mga dancers, or kahit nga hindi dancers any profession na yung ganun, mag-gig pag December. Parang share your stories with us sa comment section. We'd love to hear. Gusto nyo, mag-send kayo ng video, di ba? Kung sa Facebook pwede ka mag-send ng video para magkwento ka, para marinig namin, marinig na ibang tao.
We'd love to hear how much you earn.
baka naman.
And with that, we'd like to greet everyone a Merry Merry Christmas. We hope you're safe. We hope you're spending time with your loved ones and you get much rest. Use this time to recharge,
Yes.
for the next year.
Eat.
And
Gosh,
ano yun, Regan?
eat, sabi ko pagkain. Isip ko dali mga Noche Buena.
Pahinga para
Parang
hindi
actually
magkasakit.
memorable din yun, di ba?
So, yeah, with that, we are going to end this episode. And again, if you've been loving what we're doing so far, what you've been hearing, please, we'd highly appreciate if you could subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Spotify, on Instagram, on Facebook, TikTok, and please do share this to other
Share
people
away.
who you think would be interested in listening to these four dads blabber about life. All right, we will see you in the next episode of
Merry Christmas.
The Groove Dads.
Groove Dads, happy
Yeah,
holidays.
Merry Christmas, everybody.